When modeling, sometimes it's quicker to reuse a sketch or feature that has already been created. Looking at this SolidProfessor text, what if I wanted to use that in another part? I could recreate the sketch and feature, but what if I needed it to be exact or I'm just looking to speed up the process? Let's find out how we can copy and paste this sketch in this 2-minute tech tip. Highlighting the sketch from the feature tree, this can be copied by either pressing Ctrl-C on your keyboard or by going up to Edit and choosing Copy. With the sketch copied to the clipboard, I can switch to a new document and start a new sketch on the face or plane where I want the sketch to be pasted. By pressing Ctrl-V on my keyboard or Edit Paste, the sketch will be pasted onto the active face but still needs to be defined for its position. After fully defining the sketch, it can be reused to create the feature on this new part. Copying a sketch is an easy way to reuse information that has already been created. This pastes a copy of the sketch with no connection back to the original sketch. Other ways to reuse sketches are by making derived sketches, which do maintain a link back to the original sketch. To learn more about reusing sketches in other documents, be sure to check out our SOLIDWORKS Essentials for Part Design course, as well as our SOLIDWORKS Advanced Part Design course. Thanks for watching.